Hi guys, this is Mila and I got a couple balls to unbox with you from ZURU's mini brands Retro. So let's get to it. Ball, oh, no, there they are. This is ball one, this one, ooh, and I caught it on camera. The first part didn't happen so easily, but I'm so impressed with myself. Here's what's in the first one and the second one. Okay, there's a ton of packages. So, oh my goodness, everything's falling. So there's the list. I've never opened ever a retro before, so that is everything that could be in it. Let's get to it. So number one is a... what is that? Is that makeup? I don't think it opens. Okay, I am not going to spend an eternity on it. What is this? Love crème beige. Okay, so I guess it is a makeup. Package number two. It is a STP oil treatment. Add to your oil. Okay. There will be oil apparently. Number three. I'm hoping to get stuff for the fridge. Ooh, candy. I like, and it feels nice and soft inside, so it does feel like there is something. Here we go. And this one is a cassette. Goodness, does it open? Oh my goodness, look at that. I remember those. Yes, that is how old I am. This is adorable. Okay, I'm happy. I'm definitely happy. This is from the second bowl, so don't need it. Okay. Oh my god, the cassette is so detailed. No, a camera to go with the cassette. Let's see if it opens up. I don't want to rip it. It comes out. Look at this. Pew, pew. I can take photos. Oh, no, pew, pew is not appropriate. So, I don't know what the sound for a camera is like. Shh. What's the sound for a camera? Anyways, let's put this back in. And it is really cute. Still, the cassette is currently my favorite. There's one more, and I think, oh, no, there's two more after this one. Perfect. So, let's do this. A paste dispenser. Isn't it adorable? I used to have those when I was little. I mean, littler, because I'm so little right now. I'm young at heart. Okay, this is my childhood. Okay, cheese balls. Okay, I am in for this, and it's going to be great for the pantry. Oh, I think there's one more package, actually. Hey, we're package rich. And another cassette tape. You know what though? I am not mad. These are so cute. I don't hate this. Oh my goodness, there's two more. Okay. And this is another camera. Okay, it was cute the first time, but like enough. Okay, please be something new. Please be something new. Please be something. Yay! Turtle wax. Well, I guess everything will be nice and sparkly. So there we go. I managed to get 2 doubles in 2 capsules. But it was fun. So I'll see you for the next one. Bye.